Hi everybody, welcome to Margie's Bite. Today I went to Applebee's and I got their Impossible Cheeseburger. I also got their pub waffle fries, and I also got their boneless wings and their powdered donuts. Yeah, I kind of went on a little food spree here. Okay, so I think it's a lemon pepper boneless wing. Or honey pepper. Honey pepper? Yeah. I'm like trying to figure out what Okay. Alright, so we're going to start with the loaded waffle pub fries. I'm excited. That looks so good. Alright. Alright. Well, let's dig in. Oh, look at all this cheese. Wow. Check that out. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Gonna take some of this. Wow. Oh, I must say, amazing. The fries well seasoned, crispy, tender on the inside. That cheese, glorious cheese, absolutely love it. Yeah, that cheese made a lot of difference. You would taste like the cheesiness of it. It's really, really good. Okay. Next under here. Alright. I'm gonna try these honey pepper boneless wings. Yeah. Okay. I got a little ranch dressing for start. Okay. Ooh. Looks very nice. Okay. Wow. That had like a sweet and peppery taste to it. Absolutely, really amazing. Crunchy, tender in the inside, just the way like a boneless wing should be. Absolutely amazing. Compared to Buffalo Wild Wings, you can't compare them, but this is amazing. I always liked Applebee's for their food. Applebee's had pretty good, I've never had any issues with them, and I absolutely love their quesadilla burger. Absolutely. And their chicken wontons. I have videos on it, so, yeah, you can check them out. They're definitely amazing. Okay. Alright. So, on this Impossible Cheeseburger, I put Swiss and cheddar instead. So it looks like there's nothing else. Okay. Well. And there is pickles. I'll get that. They just didn't put it on there. It's on the side, which I absolutely don't mind. Okay. So. Okay. Alright, let's check this out. I never actually gave Beyond the Meat burgers and chicken a chance, so I'm taking a chance today because I felt like I wanted Applebee's, so I looked at the menu and I'm like, okay, so I'll check it out. Okay. Wow. You didn't really taste anything like different from a regular burger. The bun was soft. The beyond the meat patty was just very, very tender. The cheese, oh man, made it all so worthwhile. And the lettuce gave it a nice, the lettuce and pickle gave it a nice crunch. Okay. So, let's dig into these donuts. I have chocolate syrup here. And, what about caramel? Caramel! Okay. Alright. Let me show you what it looks like. Yeah. Okie dokie. Okay. We'll do chocolate first. I think I lost the top. Okay. Alright, I'll be back for that. Okay. Now for the caramel. Alright. Wow. Whew. Okay. I absolutely love the donuts. They were so warm. Powdery, sugary. The chocolate one was, the chocolate syrup, definitely really good. Caramel, absolutely loved it. It just gave it a nice, sweetness to it. Very tender on the inside. Soft. And the outside was very, 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 very crunchy, which I absolutely loved it. Oh my god, Applebees, you kicked ass. What can I say, Applebees? I can never say anything bad about Applebees. I love them. Never had any problems with their food, so. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching this Smart Eats Bite. Peace out, people.